Vista Metals Corporation, located in Fontana, California, is one of the largest independent producers of specialty aluminum products in the world. Vista Metals production processes include the recycling of industrial scrap aluminum, as well as the utilization of various grades of primary aluminum, which collectively produce high-quality, competitively priced aluminum alloy products. Since our company's inception in 1968, Vista Metals has continuously grown, becoming a trusted supplier and reliable resource serving the domestic and international aluminum industry. The majority of Vista Metals production is quite unique and outside the typical smelter's capabilities, and thus defines the company as a producer of specialty aluminum products. Our melting and casting processes guarantee the highest quality products available in the industry, and these processes comply with the strictest environmental regulations in the world. We are a leading producer of cast and scalped forging ingot, hard alloy extrusion billet, rectangular slab and sheet ingot, and aluminum cast plate products. We specialize in casting 2000, 5000, 6000, and 7000 series alloys. At Vista, we're known for casting the largest ingots in the world, up to 42 inches in diameter, by utilizing 3 large casting stations with fully automated data logging, and 6 ultra-low NOx, energy-efficient reverb melting furnaces. The finishing department includes numerous industrial lathes with a capacity of up to 42-inch diameter for efficient production of cast and scalped ingot, milling machines for slab and plate finishing, and various vertical and horizontal saws to meet the requirements for precision cutting. Our customers depend on high-quality products for critical applications. We maintain a strong commitment to our quality systems in order to meet or exceed our customers' quality requirements. Vista maintains a registered ISO 9001 quality management system, applying methodologies for continuous improvement across all areas of our business. When it comes to quality control, at Vista Metals, we strive for perfection. Our process utilizes the latest technology and equipment, including inline molten metal refining systems to provide melting purification, as well as inline hydrogen analysis to ensure consistent product conformity. Our state-of-the-art aluminum degassing and purification system, the LARS unit, works by injecting argon with small amounts of chlorine to filter out hydrogen gases and metallurgical impurities. To further ensure the best filtration, this system is followed by a C-leaf filter made from ceramic foam that removes any inclusions from the molten aluminum. Once cast, the latest technology is used in the homogenization process to ensure metallurgical integrity of the ingot structure. With 6 state-of-the-art units, we have more batch homogenization capacity than any other producer in the western United States. The fully equipped metallurgical laboratory at Vista Metals includes complete chemical analysis through the use of 2 optical emission spectrometers, UV inspection with a dye penetrant, and metallograph equipment, which includes an image analyzer for grain size measuring and microstructure analysis. All products are ultrasonically inspected by certified UT technicians and conform to the strictest industry specifications. Vista Metals is dedicated to providing one-stop service that makes it easy for our customers to accomplish their goals and do business efficiently with its supply chain. With the shortest lead times in the industry, aluminum slab, billet, cast plate, or mold products can be ready for shipment within 2 weeks or less after receipt of order. Short lead times and responsiveness come as a result of Vista Metals' extensive inventory across all of its product lines and is unique in the specialty aluminum industry. Our commitment to quality and reinvestment to the marketplace allows us to provide products to international customers with shipping to any port in the world. For over 40 years, Vista Metals has been supplying our customers the highest caliber aluminum for their forging, extruding, and machining needs. Our customers are global leaders in industries such as aerospace, automotive, defense on land, sea, and in the air, building and construction, commercial transportation, machining, and other industrial fields. Through Vista Metal's vision and partnership approach to business, we have become a pioneer, developing a winning reputation for our quality aluminum alloy products, superior customer service, and dedication to continuous improvement. Vista Metal strives to maintain exceptional customer satisfaction by providing quality products on time at a competitive price with the shortest lead times possible. Vista Metals remains dedicated to the continuous success of our customers. Vista Metals. Highest caliber, so is the metal.